Good morning. You guys are looking at the beginning process of me cleaning my shower just like Vanessa. So I went back to one of her videos and found the most recent shower video that she had posted. And so I'm doing that process right now. So the first one was taking Dawn. She said you can use like even this kind right here. You can use like this and get that, you know, worked into the shower. And then I need to actually get this out. So I just started on the glass and then I was like, you know what, I should vlog this. Maybe you guys would like to see this process. I wish I would have gotten like a before, but just so you can kind of see, I mean, my glass was absolutely awful and I know that the rest of this really needs a good deep clean. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue on and set you guys up so you can watch me clean my shower. Now I'm gonna go in with some bleach or Clorox, and she says to leave this on for I think like 15 minutes, I'm not sure. It's been 15 minutes. I went ahead and rinsed off the bleach, and then the last step is gonna be Barkeeper's Friend, where she said to put that on the shower floor. Just gonna sprinkle this pretty generously. Sitting here scrubbing, but I wanted you guys to see something because I've never used Barkeeper's Friend on my shower floor, and this stuff is getting up. Do you see all the black right there? It's getting this stuff up, you guys, because it was all right here. You can see that it's white. I mean, I've tried bleach and all that on my floors before, but it's not doing what Barkeeper's Friend is doing. So the shower is all clean. It's hard to tell because those are wet. It's just like the floors, the tile in my kitchen. But I've never seen the bottom of this look so good. The other thing that I need to do is work on the glass. There's like hard water stains. So I think she did a different video for how to take care of that. But you can just see, or I don't know if you can see just how the glass isn't completely just crystal clear, I guess you could say. So, but I'm spent just cleaning this. So, and I actually need to take a shower. I gotta film my video and I'm gonna do that now. I finished all of my YouTube work, or for right now, I'll have some more that I'm going to do later in terms of editing like tomorrow's vlog, but today's vlog is currently uploading, so, and then I finished filming for my main channel, all of that, so that's all out of the way, and I'm starving. It's 1 o'clock, and I am going to make a egg, cheese, bacon croissant sandwich. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I'm going to show you guys this in the easiest steps possible. So first up are the ingredients that I use. We've got a croissant, we've got the eggs, we've got American cheese, or just like whatever cheese that you like, just butter for the pan. These are the seasonings I'm going to use. Actually, I forgot salt. Salt, pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric. I don't normally add turmeric to something like this, but I've been wanting to add turmeric to as much as I can to what I eat because this stuff has a lot of really amazing properties. And then the bacon. First thing that I do is I put my oven on bake for 350 and get that started while we get the eggs and the bacon cooked up. While the stove is heating up, I get my croissant, I place it on the baking sheet that I'm going to cook this in. After the egg is done, we're going to go ahead and cut this in half, just like this, and then we're going to go ahead and add the cheese to the top. Alright, so now this is done and ready, and all we have to do is add the cooked egg and the bacon. I take a bowl, and then I crack one egg. One egg usually works pretty well for one person, and we're going to whisk this up. And at this point, you can go ahead and add your seasoning. And I'm going to go ahead and now that my pan is nice and hot, I'm going to go ahead and cook my bacon. I do about 3 strips. I'm going to go ahead and add the egg on top of the cheese. Not the egg, I'm sorry, the bacon on top of the cheese. That doesn't look like very much. That pan, I think, just kind of messed up the egg, but usually one egg does cover the entire thing. Sometimes I have to actually cut it in half and then double layer. So this is the stack order. I'm going to flip this over, and then we're going to put this into the oven that we started so that this can get nice and crispy, and then the cheese and everything can melt and come together. And here's the result. So I went ahead and cut it in half. It just looks completely delicious. Also, this is when I would add turmeric. I actually should have added it before I put it into the oven, but I would have just like sprinkled it on top of the egg, or just wherever, it doesn't really matter. And then you can see I have some tangerines, some bananas, got my orange juice, and now I'm going to watch YouTube.